Before getting into how we're going to organize the content on this site, let's add a little bit of visual branding so we know what site we're working on, and also it can be a little bit of a morale boost when we're looking at something that's not entirely generic. So I'm going to exit over this overlay here, and what we're going to do is upload a different logo. We're going to hide this because the logo includes the title of the site. And then we're going to change the background color of the header to be a gray that matches up more with the branding of Gift of Geek. So I'm going to click on Appearance, Settings, and just a quick note that when we go here, we're at the Global Settings section, and we can change most of our settings here, but we can't change the color settings. We have to do that in Bartik. So the other two things we have to do besides change the background color is disable the site name and upload another logo. If we did that here though, and then we changed some of the settings in the Bartik settings, these settings would be overridden and they wouldn't hold anymore. So we're going to make all of our changes directly in the Bartik's settings. So for the color scheme, we can select some gray here, but I'm just going to select the slate setting, which will give us gray on virtually every level except the link color. So we have something like this. I'm going to scroll down and we're going to uncheck site name in the display. And we're also going to uncheck use the default logo so we can upload our own. I'm going to choose a file, and in the resource pack, there's a folder called Site Images. Go ahead and expand that and select logo.png, and then click Save Configuration. When we exit out of the overlay, we'll see our Gift of Geek logo here. Our site title no longer displays, and we have a gray background.